Hi guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Monet.
And today we're here with PrettyLittleThing. I'm going to be trying out the Ordinary products.
We've never used the products before, but an expert's given us their best advice, so we're really excited to try them out.
Yes, we've got a step-by-step routine here for each product, and we're going to try them all out. We're going to let you guys know what we think about them, and give you all the ins and outs.
So the first product is the Alpha Arbutin. We're just going to put a few drops on our face. So I'm just going to do 2 drops.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah? Do the same.
So this is perfect for any dark spots and any hyperpigmentation.
I think it's just really good for an overall even skin tone, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's your first impressions? What do you think?
How many did you do? I only did 2.
I did 2, but I feel like I could have done more.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's really lightweight. I don't feel like my skin has got so much on it.
No, I like it,
which is
though.
nice.
Yeah, I hate when my skin feels really clogged up. This one actually feels really good.
Yeah, me too. So step 2, we're going to be using the niacinamide serum, which has got 1% zinc in it. Okay, so this product regulates sebum, and sebum is basically oil in our skin. If you've got really oily skin like I do, this product is really good because it will just like calm that down.
So that's the second one done. Let's let that settle, and then we'll go on to step 3.
Yeah. Step 3 is a cream called magnesium ascorbyl phosphate.
This is what I mean with the confusing names.
I know, it's quite confusing, but okay.
They are like quite a scientific brand.
Yeah.
Do you not think? Like the names, the products. Yeah, I like it though, it's nice.
Okay, and so what does this cream do?
Yeah, so it's saying it's brightening, it's hydrating, and it's got vitamin C in it.
And it says a small amount as well, so don't go too crazy.
Okay.
Is that a small amount?
Yeah, I thought that's good. Let's go for that.
Oh, this is really nice.
This is really nice.
Oh, I like this.
Oh, do you know what? I love like a creamy.
I love a good cream.
It's so nice. And that size was definitely enough, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it's so. Is that like pea sized? It's like toothpaste.
Yeah.
So, how are you feeling?
I feel really good. Again, this is quite a lightweight product.
Yeah. So,
I like the feel. It feels nice.
And you look really refreshed, which means that it's working because it says it targets dullness, uneven skin tone, and aging.
Okay, so that one's just settled in. So we're now going to go on to the next one. So this is step 4.
Azelaic acid suspension.
Oh, you're so good at saying these names. I love it.
Okay.
So this says apply to the face AM and or PM. It will improve visible brightness and the appearance of skin texture. Use sun protection during the day.
I feel like this is really good for the morning as well because like if you're wearing makeup you don't want really textured skin.
I feel like the whole point of this routine is obviously to have a really nice even skin tone. Obviously that's a great base when you apply your makeup every day or in the evening also.
Okay, no joke, my skin feels really nice.
Mine feels amazing. I feel like that is like a dreamy product.
Yeah.
I really like that one. Okay, so step 4 is done. We are now on to step 5, which is this one here. Once again, I'm gonna let you say this one.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're back with another serum, and this is called ascorbyl tetraopylam. Okay, you try that.
Right, let me try. Tetraopylametate.
So I'll let you try that first.
Okay, thank you. Right.
So this targets dullness, signs of aging, and uneven tone. So yeah, I really like this because it says pigmentation, but it also helps with aging.
And targets dullness, love that. Okay, I just did 3 drops. It just says apply a few drops to the entire face, and you can do this in the AM and the PM.
I feel like it's just glowing.
Yeah, really glowing.
Yeah, amazing. What do you think about this skin routine overall, pigmentation routine?
I really like it. I like the fact that it's a mix between the serums and the creams.
Yeah.
I feel like as a whole it works really well together, and it's not like too hard. It's so easy to do.
Yeah, and I think it's really good that you really are getting like a lot for your money because it not only deals with pigmentation, it also deals with aging and, as you said, AM and PM, so you don't need to buy 2 different sets of products.
Okay, so that's it from us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed getting to see some of the Ordinary products. I know we really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and make sure you stay tuned and have a look for our other skincare routines.
See you later, guys.
Bye.